Next command for STPanel is link views with BOM table. In case when in drawings two or more BOM table, I can link my view with BOM table. In Solidworks, I must open property view, check this option and select from list one of bill of materials. If I need do this for all views, I can use this command. In this command I check for which views I want to do this. For selected views, for all views of active sheet, or all views of selected sheets. For example, check all views of active sheets, check options link and choose bill of materials. For example, bill of materials 1. Run command. As you see, in balloon changed numbers, and if I open properties view, you see these options check and set BOM table. That's all about this little command. Thank you.